Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook ramen noodles on the stove. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. This step ensures a smooth cooking process. You will need 1 package of instant ramen noodles, about 2½ cups of water, and a medium saucepan with a lid. A pair of tongs or a fork will also be very helpful for handling the noodles. Having everything ready makes the entire experience much more enjoyable and efficient for preparing your meal. Next, carefully measure out 2½ cups of cold water and pour it into your medium saucepan. Place the saucepan onto your stove burner and set the heat to high. We are aiming for a strong, rolling boil where bubbles vigorously break the surface of the water. You can cover the pot with its lid if you wish. This will help the water heat up more quickly, saving you a little bit of time and energy. Once your water is at a vigorous rolling boil, gently place the dried ramen noodle block into the pot. Use your tongs or a fork to carefully separate the noodles as they soften, helping them cook evenly. Cook the noodles for exactly 3 minutes, or until they achieve your preferred tenderness. Some people enjoy them a little firmer, others softer. Remember to stir occasionally. This prevents sticking and ensures every strand cooks perfectly. After your noodles have cooked to perfection, turn off the stove burner. Now it is time to add the flavor. Carefully open the small seasoning packet that came with your ramen noodles and pour its entire contents directly into the hot pot with the cooked noodles and broth. Stir everything very thoroughly with your fork or tongs until the seasoning is completely dissolved and evenly distributed. This ensures every bite is packed with delicious flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.